If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. So, plant a sapling on this day and let us all join hands together and take a pledge. Save trees and save life on earth.
Myself, Arbina Anjum. If you plant one tree, you can save many lives. Please go for green.
First, reduce plastic covers, use handbags. Second, reuse. Reuse old clothes into new pant. Third, recycle. When dry waste, wet waste. Dry waste, wet waste.
See friends, somebody kept this bucket and by mistake they went. They forgot to put up the water. If I am also simply going, water will waste. And in many places there is no water to drink and we will not get the water. If water is flowing, we have to put up the water and save the water and save the life.
Let's all work to make the world better place. Let's conserve so we can give the future generations life that they deserve. Let's be responsible residents and start living with grace.
Save water.
When you plant a tree, it is not only useful for the people or the environment, it is even useful for the animals and the birds. So please try to save the earth and plant a tree. Do not waste the water.
Save the earth. Let us save the earth from deforestation, global warming, pollutions, overpopulation, scientific destruction.
Life is possible only on earth, so let us keep green and clean our earth and have a longer life. Thank you, friends.
Save Earth, save life. Nature doesn't need people, but people need nature. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು, ನೀರು ಹಾಗೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸೋಲಾರ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೋಲಾರ್ಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು 6 ಮಂತ್ ರಿಪೇರಿನೇ ಮಾಡಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನಮಗೆ ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸಿಗೋವಂಥದ್ದು 100ರಲ್ಲಿ 25% ಮಾತ್ರ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸೇವ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಸೇವ್ ಅವರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅರ್ತ್.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಪ್ರದಾ. ಪರಿಸರನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಿ, ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪರಿಸರ ನೀಡಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಖುಷಿ, ಅದು ದೊರೆಯೋ ಖುಷಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಪರಿಸರನ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿದ್ರು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೀಂಗಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಡಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಾದ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನನ್ನ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆ.
I know, there you go, saving me from out of the cold. Fire on fire, we'll normally kiss, but this much desire, together we're winners.
Hello everyone. Nowadays, this has become our city, and we, the people who are responsible for this, to protect our earth and nature, on this environmental day, we shall pledge and start planting a sapling. From this, we can keep our environment clean and sustainable. It helps us to increase oxygen, which helps in various ways.
Save Earth, Save Life. As we all know that every year of 6th June we celebrate Environmental Day. We can protect our Mother Earth by using the 3 Rs like reduce, reuse and recycle. We can also follow some principles, that is recycling, avoiding use of much plastics, planting more trees, conserving water and also saving electricity. Nature doesn't need people, but people need nature. Thank you.
As we all know that plastic is a serious threat to the environment due to its non-biodegradable nature. Plastic contributes a lot to the land and causes the water pollution. Paper bags are more widely recyclable, while plastic bag takes between 400 years to 1000 years to decompose. So avoid using the plastic bags and start using the paper bags so that we can save our environment for the future. Our planet, our future. Thank you.
Save water, save life. Take shorter shower to reduce water consumption. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening. While watering your plants, use watering can instead of a running hose. Turn off water while brushing your teeth. Turn off water while showering your hairs. Use a bucket for bathing instead of a shower, as it can save a lot of water. Avoid wastage of water at home, college and office. Save water, save life.
Nature provides human, animals and all living beings to live on earth. We can protect our Mother Earth by using 3 Rs: reduce, reuse and recycle. And we should protect our Mother Earth by avoiding cutting trees, avoiding plastics, water pollution, air pollution, deforestation, etc. In nature, nothing is perfect,
Plant a
but
tree, save
everything
life.
is
Planting
perfect.
a
Thank
tree
you.
can cut air conditioning, electricity costs up to 50%. Planting a tree for environment, it's a good. They are renewable, biodegradable and recyclable. If we plant 20 million trees, the earth will get 260 million more tons of oxygen. Thank you.
Why should we protect the environment? Well, we only have one earth, so let's do right by it. Reduce wasting paper. Papers can be recycled 5 to 7 times. As students, recycle or reuse your books. While your books certainly aren't doing any harm sat on your bookshelves, they could be recycled or reused by someone else. Every little thing you do really makes a difference. Thank you.
As we all know, our environment is becoming worse by worse daily just because of we humans. Earth is a planet where we live and exist. It is our responsibility to keep our mother planet very clean. But rather than that, we humans become just selfish and create such things that create pollution and harmness to the environment. If we want to save our mother planet, we have some steps to do. Plant a tree, reduce, reuse and recycle the things. And if we want to save our mother planet, we have to stop the exploitation of natural resources. Just think, what you give is what we take. Thank you very much.
ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದು ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಬಹುದು, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಸವೆತವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಬಹುದು, ಮಳೆ ನೀರಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಬಹುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿರೋದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಮ್ಯಾ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ರೀತಿಯೇ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 22 ಜನರು ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಇವಾಗಲಾದರೂ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೇ ಈಚೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವು ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾನಿ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆಂದರೆ, ಸಹಜವಾದ ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯದಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ 2.4 ಜನ ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ಪುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಳಾಂಗಣದ ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯದಿಂದ 1.5 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಜನ ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ಪುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಿ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಸಂರಕ್ಷಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬಳಕೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I'm sure you all might have understood the video that was shown before this. So yes, when no one's around, turn off the switches and save light, save energy.
வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு எர்த் டே. நம்ம தண்ணியை பற்றி பேச போகிறோம். தண்ணி பூமியில் 4ல் 3 பங்கு தண்ணி. பூமியில் உயிர் வாழ்கிறதுக்கு மிகவும் அத்தியாவசியமான ஒன்றுனா தண்ணி தான். தண்ணி தாகம் எடுக்கும்போது தான் தெரியும் தண்ணியோட மதிப்பு என்னன்னு. தண்ணி இல்லைன்னா பூமியில் எந்த ஒரு உயிரும் வாழ முடியாது. மரம் வளர்த்து மழை வர செய்வோம், மழை வர செய்து மழை நீர் சேமிப்போம். நன்றி.
became a necessity to save water and conserve water. So save water and save nature. Thank you.
Don't judge a book by its cover. The artificial plants might look very beautiful, very attractive, and very dominating, but the live plants, they add an extra amount of energy, freshness, and a wonderful beauty to the surroundings that we live in. So say yes to live plants and no to artificial plants.
Uno, dos, tres. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy born day. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This means so a lot to me. We know that you're going through some hard time. We just wanted to make sure that you have some good time now. I'm starving. Do we get something to eat or what? Like champagne and some ice. It's so hot in here. Moon, so where is Sun? I can't see him in my party. You know that we are all going to die if he comes here anyway. I mean, can you all calm down? It's just his birthday. Do he deserve so much? You're always jealous of Earth life. Ain't nobody talking to you, buddy. I think you have to shut your mouth. Hey Moon, you don't even care about Earth. I mean, you always try to move away from him. You know that, right? Guys, calm down. It's his birthday. Let him enjoy.
Let's blow the candle and cut the cake.